how you start the new year. Go on, Auntie JB.
Hi guys, my name is JB Rose and it is the 31st of December. In a few hours time, going to be going into 2019 and I am not going anywhere. New Year's night, everyone's having a good time and I'm at home and I'm going to be ironing. So what I'm going to do is, because I don't really like ironing, look, I'm going to show you. This is the ironing, this is some of the ironing. And then there's some more ironing here, children's clothes. And then look, more ironing there. I'm going to make some vegan patties and I'm going to make some charcoal biscuits because they're really good for you. Tonight is the penultimate day of Kwanzaa, which is an African cultural celebration that we do, 7-day cultural celebration that we do here in our family. Every day we celebrate different aspects of Kwanzaa. And tomorrow is the final day and we're going to go to the children's godparents and we're going to celebrate it. Yay. So I'm going to make food, I'm going to iron, I'm going to sing, I'm going to make food, I'm going to iron, I'm going to sing. That's my night, yeah? So other people will be on social media going, oh, look how beautiful I am. Hey, this is me ironing. Here we go. Okay, so for the charcoal biscuits, you need 225 grams of plain flour, 175 grams of butter. And then while I'm here, let me show you activated charcoal powder. Can you see it? I wonder if I can. This is really, really good for you. And you can put it in stuff. People are using it in toothpaste now. If you already use vegan toothpaste, then you just buy the charcoal and then stick it in and just go like that. Easily done. Anyway, this is the charcoal. Yeah. Now for the sugar, I'm using this organic coconut sugar and I'm going to use 50 grams of this, another 50 grams of Castor sugar, 100 grams of sugar. I'm going to get the rind of a lemon then in here. Oh, and 2 big heap spoons of our activated charcoal. There is our sugar, very, very fine. So maybe 2 big heap teaspoons. Now my kids, when they see this, they lose their minds. When they first saw this, my kids were like, Mum, you burnt the biscuits. So here it is, all looking all breadcrumby. And because it's got a high butter content, we can just now make it into a dough, as you can see. And now we're going to roll it out into biscuits. I'm going to use stars because we're all stars. As you can see, I've already made 1 batch. And I'm going to make the final batch with my stars. There we are. And then place your stars on your greaseproof paper. Oh, look, he's lost a bit of his leg. Is that going to work? And then here is the last star. Oh, is that a song? The last star. Right, they're not so perfect, but they're looking good. 10, 12, 13 minutes for the biscuits. If they were like normal shortbread biscuits and you didn't have the charcoal in it, you'll be able to see light brown tinge on it, but because they're black charcoal, you won't be able to tell. Take them out, let them cool on the tray for about 10-20 minutes and put them on a cooling rack, and then they'll get nice and hard and crispy. So now I'm going to make our chickpea and sweetcorn patties, and then I'm going to do the ironing. Because there's a few of us, I'm going to be doing 600 grams of flour, 300 grams of vegan butter, a teaspoon of turmeric. Turmeric is what gives it the colour. Add a little bit of cold water and make it into a dough. So here's our dough. Onions, peppers and garlic, and I've got a nice hot pot and I'm going to sweat it all down. So to my mixture I am adding herbs, a bit of coriander here, some chili, seasonal, and this is quite salty, this seasonal. Then I'm adding some marjoram, some chives. I do like to add a lot of herbs to my things. And then just mix it all in and let that sweat through. So what you're looking at is 8 ounces of chickpeas, and then I have another 8 ounces, but I have crushed these just so that the texture of the insides will be nice. So that's the crushed up ones, that's the not so crushed up ones. And we're going to just cook that through. A little bit of soy sauce. Now again, I don't do much salt, but if you want salt, because all these things have a lot of salt in it, you can add some salt. There is a sweet corn. We're going to mix that in. My kids love sweet corn. If I add sweet corn to things, they eat it. Now in our fridge, remember, the pastry is cooling. I'm going to let this cool before I put them together. We are nearly there. As for the ironing, pastry is cold. So it's a bit much. I'm going to cut it in half and do it in 2 sections. Here are all my patty shapes, and I'm just going to wet the edges, yeah, because then it will stick. By using a fork. Here is all my patties, and what normally happens is when you've done so many patties, you just want to end. So I just made one big patty here. Just brush them all with some plant milk. Prick each one in the middle. So as you can see, my patties are looking real nice. And then here, ready to go, biscuits. Right. It's 10 o'clock, and in 2 hours time, just under 2 hours, it's going to be 2019.
Auntie JB,
yes,
you're killing this. Yeah.
So it has been a resounding success. As you can see, I made loads and loads of cakes. And everyone is still having a good time, everybody's partying. I love the vegan food that I have cooked, and it has been a wonderful Kwanzaa. Happy Kwanzaa. Please guys, don't forget to like and subscribe.
Yeah. Not yet, Auntie, so don't take the project until I eat it.
What are you eating?
I'm eating, what are you talking about? Why are you disturbing me? Why are you disturbing me when I am this magnificent, what do you call it again? Rum and raisin.
Yes.
Vegan cake with some vegan custard.
Yes.
What? This is how you start the new year. Go on, Auntie JB.